intricate landscape of software development, the incorporation of version control systems, VCS, into a bash-built operating system, OS installer, introduces a myriad of stressors. This complexity is further compounded by the challenges of maintaining practicality, and the Arch installer, while a widely employed tool, proves to be an inadequate alternative in this demanding environment. The stressors associated with implementing version control systems within a bash-built OS installer extend beyond the mere integration of VCS into the installer architecture. Challenges manifest in the nuanced management of code versions during the installation process, presenting formidable obstacles. The Arch installer, while serving as a common choice, falls short in addressing the intricate requirements of a robust installation and component management system. Within the ongoing development of SynOS 2035, a series of perplexing issues have emerged, with a central concern revolving around the ArcISO tool. Notably, attempts to invoke ArcISO from SynBuilder ZSH have yielded unexpected results, with the tool failing to generate the anticipated ISO output. This anomaly persists even when the entire project is meticulously reconstructed from the default Arch Linux baseline profile. The root cause of this issue remains elusive, adding an extra layer of complexity to an already intricate development process. One specific challenge that has surfaced is the unpredictability associated with Arch Linux updates. The ArcISO tool's failure to produce a functional ISO after updates are released underscores the need for a more resilient system. The dynamic nature of Arch Linux, with its rolling release model, demands a corresponding adaptability in the OS installer. This includes addressing issues promptly to ensure that the installation process remains seamless, even in the face of ongoing updates. In dissecting the complexities further, the reliance on absolute paths has been identified as a potential source of instability. This raises the proposition of initiating a development paradigm shift, discarding the use of absolute paths in favor of a more flexible approach. Starting anew, devoid of the complications linked to absolute paths, presents an opportunity to establish a more robust foundation for the SynOS 2035 project. A comprehensive solution requires delving into the intricacies of version control practices. The issues encountered necessitate a recalibration of workflows, a meticulous reassessment of versioning conventions, and a commitment to fostering discipline within the development process. By prioritizing mastery and version control, the project can mitigate the challenges associated with updates, absolute paths, and the inherent complexities of integrating VCS into the OS installer. In conclusion, the challenges posed by version control systems within a bash-built OS installer, coupled with the limitations of the Arch installer, underscore the need for a holistic and sophisticated approach. The ongoing SynOS 2035 development journey requires a strategic recalibration, emphasizing disciplined version control practices and a departure from the constraints of absolute paths. Only through a thorough re-evaluation and steadfast adherence to best practices can the installation and component management system evolve to meet the evolving demands of contemporary software development, especially in the dynamic realm of Arch Linux.